Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to show you I created a note application using Firebase, email authentication and every feature which a basic note app contain. Like this is a CRUD app and I created this app in Android Studio. It contains the real-time database using Cloud Firestore. So this is the demo video, so just watch this demo video and we will follow the tutorial in the next part of this video. So now see what I created in Android Studio. So I open it, you can see this is my notes app. I open it. So first of all, you can see the UI of the Notes app looks amazing, and this is completely responsive UI and it can work in any kind of mobile phone. So this is login screen. So if you are an existing user, then you have to log in to access your notes. So if you are a new user, then first you have to sign up. So you can see this is the sign up screen. If I click on this button, new user want to sign in. So I click on this. So you can see this is the news for new user. So how the sign up process work? Let us suppose you enter any email and you enter any password. Then if you click on sign up button, then an email come on your registered email, and then you have to verify you by clicking on that link which come on your mail. And after verifying you, that you have to log in again, and you can see your account is created successfully, and that's the process. So before creating the new user, first I want to show how to log in with your existing account. So you can see I already created an existing account, so I simply enter my credentials, which is my email and my password. So I enter my details, and you can see after clicking on this, I simply click on login. So you can see the progress bar start appearing, and I get a toast of logged in, and you can see this is the notes, and the UI of the notes looks amazing, and this is staggered layout, and you can see the note layout is completely amazing, and it always show a different color. While if I move from this activity to any activity and if I come back, then it always show a random color to every note. So let us suppose if I click on this, so I come back, you can see the colors change. If I again click it, then I come back, you can see again colors change. So this is very amazing. So you will going to learn everything. I means everything means everything. So let's see how this notes app work. So first of all, if I click on any notes, it show the details of that note. Now this is the icon. So if I want to edit this particular note, then I can also edit this. So if I click on this, you can see now this is open successfully. Now I simply type here edited, and also I type here edited. After this, I have to simply upload this edited note. So I click on this icon, you can see the progress was start and it say updated, and you can see this is our note which is edited now. So if you want to also delete the note, you can see this is the menu. If I click on this, menu appear successfully, and if I click on delete, you can see the note is deleted successfully. Now if I want to edit the note here, so I simply click on this and I also go to edit screen. So this is very amazing. Now one thing I also want to show you, if you want to create new note, simply click on this plus icon. So I click on this, so I simply type here new note for you, new note, and this is new content, and simply click on this save button. And after clicking on this save button, you can see this is our new note and new content, and this is very amazing. So now I simply log out from here. So hopefully you see how this notes app work. Now I will show you, if you forget your password of your registered email, then how will you can access? You can also recover your password by clicking on this. So you have to enter your registered mail. After clicking on register mail, you will receive an email from Firebase, and you have to follow that link to recover your password, and it is very easy process, and I am going to tell you everything in the upcoming tutorials. So now I will show you how the sign up work in this notes app. So I simply click on this new user, want to sign in. So I enter my freshly email, so Brijesh, and I can enter any password, but the password length should be more than 7 characters. So if I enter 4 digit and click on sign up, you can see the password should more be 7. So I simply enter password 1468 up to 8, and I click on sign up. So after clicking on sign up, you can see registration successful, but email is sent, and I have to verify that email, and after verifying I have to log in. So if I try to log in now, I am not able to log in. So you can see, let us suppose if I try to log in, then the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So after entering if I click on login, you can see account does not exist because I don't verify my email. So I have to verify my email. So come back from here and open my email. So after opening my email, so you can see this is the mail, verify your email for project. So I simply type here, hello, I have to verify email, but you can add your own name and you can add anything. So I simply click on this, and I simply select Chrome from here, and just one, and you can see after clicking on this link, it say your email has been verified. Now you can sign in. So I close this and open again my Notes app, and after verifying my email I have to simply enter my credentials. So I enter my email and I enter my password. So you can see after entering my password I simply click on login, and you can see now I logged in successful, and it does not contain anything because it is completely new user and it does not contain any notes. So I simply create this is my first note. I simply type this and note. So you can type any title, it is your choice, title, content, done, fine. So I simply type this. Now I simply click on this save button, and now you can see after saving this Notes app contain a first note, and this is the first note of this user. So after every time it's a random color. So this is very amazing Notes app. So I hope you seen every functionality of this Notes app, and you can also check the forget password how it works, but I am not going to show you, but this work fine, so don't worry. So my every project work fine. So now this Notes app is completely Play Store level app, and after making this application you can also publish it to your Play Store by integrating AdMob. So you can also publish it to your Play Store and earn money by using this application. So when I upload the tutorial of this Notes app, so this type of Notes app can take up to 15 to 20 videos of 20 minutes. Be remember, this is not a easy app, it is little bit hard app than other all projects. So it can take up to 15 to 20 videos of 20 minutes. So just hit the like button. If the target of this demo video is only 50 likes and 1700 subscribers. So the target is only 15 likes and 1700 subscribers. If you complete the target today, then from the next day you will see the first video of Notes app, and I will try to upload one video daily of this Notes app because I want to complete this tutorial as soon as possible. So I will try to upload one video daily of this Notes app. So why you wait? Simply like the video. The target is only 15 likes. Simply share it with your friends, and simply share it with your college friends and anyone. So simply complete the target, and from the next day you will see the first video of this note taking application. So thank you for this video. See you soon in next part of the note taking application. Thank you. See you soon.